Think you need thousands to start investing? Think again. In 2025, you can kickstart your wealth journey with just $100. In this video, we'll break down 5 simple steps to start investing, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive in. Investing isn't just for the rich. Starting with $100 teaches you the basics, builds discipline, and lets your money grow through compound interest. In 2025, technology makes investing accessible to everyone, with apps and platforms designed for beginners. Plus, small investments reduce risk while you learn the ropes. Ready for the first step? Step 1. Define your investment goals. Ask yourself, why are you investing? Is it for a dream vacation, a new car, or early retirement? Clear goals keep you motivated and guide your choices. For example, short-term goals, like saving for a trip in 2 years, need safer investments like bonds. Long-term goals, like retirement, can handle riskier options like stocks. Write down your goal and timeline. With $100, you're planting a seed for bigger dreams. Step 2. Choose a beginner-friendly investment platform. In 2025, apps like Robinhood, eToro, and Wealthfront make investing simple and affordable. These platforms let you start with as little as $1, and many have no commission fees. For example, Robinhood is great for stocks and ETFs, while eToro is popular for social trading and crypto. Compare fees, user reviews, and features before signing up. Pro tip: check the description for affiliate links to get sign-up bonuses. Step 3. Pick your investment type. With $100, you have solid options. First, consider exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which are like baskets of stocks. They're low risk and diversify your money. For example, an S&P 500 ETF tracks the top 500 U.S. companies. Second, fractional shares let you buy tiny pieces of big stocks like Apple or Tesla. Third, micro-investing apps like Acorns round up your purchases and invest the change. Avoid putting all $100 into one stock to reduce risk. Curious about crypto? Start small, as it's volatile. Step 4. Learn the basics to invest smarter. Key terms to know. Diversification means spreading your money across different assets to reduce risk. Compound interest is how your earnings grow over time, like a snowball. Risk tolerance is how much market ups and downs you can handle. Check out free resources like Investopedia or YouTube tutorials to level up your knowledge. Don't worry, $100 is a safe way to practice while you learn. Step 5. Stay consistent. Investing $100 is just the start. Set up automatic deposits, even $10 a month, to grow your portfolio. Consistency beats timing the market. In 2025, apps make it easy to automate your investments. Track your progress monthly, but don't obsess over daily market changes. Over time, your $100 could grow significantly thanks to compound interest. Stay patient and you're on your way to financial freedom. That's it. With just $100, you can start your investing journey in 2025. Follow these 5 steps, stay curious, and keep learning. Want more tips on personal finance and investing? Subscribe and hit the bell for weekly videos. Check the description for helpful links and resources. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. See you in the next video.